This is a video on how to use Google Sheets. Once logged in, click on the Google Apps icon on the top right corner of the page and slide down to where Google Sheets appears. You can also launch Google Sheets through Google Drive. Click on the plus new box and then look down, look on the Google Drive drop menu and click on Google Sheets. When using Google Sheets, Google Drive automatically saves everything as you go. You just need to make sure that you're connected to the internet. On the main page of Google Sheets, you'll be presented with a blank sheet or other template options. Google Sheet offers ready-made templates for personal use and also for office use. We are going to start with a blank sheet. To name your blank sheet, click on Untitled Spreadsheets. When you click on it, you type a name and press Enter. You can choose the location of your file by clicking on the folder icon. You will be able to choose from an existing Google Drive folder, or you can also choose to create a new folder. Here, as you can see, is options of Google Drive folders, and you could just, like I said, create a new folder as well. Each Google Sheet document is made up of a sheet. You can see this in the bottom left corner of the page. You can also have multiple sheets within each document. To add a new sheet, just click on the plus icon. To rename your sheet, you can double click on sheet 1 and type your new name and press Enter. You can also click on the arrow position next to the title, and you can see more ways to organize your sheets. You can duplicate your sheet, or you can copy it to a new spreadsheet. To keep certain sheets private within a document, you can activate a password by clicking on Protect Sheet. You can also change the color of your sheet by hovering your cursor on the Change Color. There you can select any of the options given. Thank you. This was a video on how to use Google Sheets.